Hello guys, I'm Shin Ni from Malaysia and I'm the leader of the organizing team for today's Global Village event. So I'm gonna show you my day as an event organizer. Let's follow me.
Shin Ni, say hi. Okay. How's your feeling right now? How do you feel right now?
Crazy.
Okay, why?
Because there's literally 2,000 bags.
Oh my gosh, packing 2,000 bags, yeah. Run, run, run.
I'm Shin Ni from Malaysia, a third-year pharmaceutical science student. I'm also a member of the Association of Student International Communication, A6, honored to be given the opportunity to lead a team in organizing today's Global Village event. With our different cultures today, today's event is particularly crucial in developing cohesion and integration, both of which are highly valued at our university. We also learn how to be better members of society and how to live together as brothers and sisters through cultural integration. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you for coming and I hope you have a good time. Thank you and enjoy yourself.
Lunchtime.
It's time for performance now.
Are you guys having fun in today's Global Village?
Are you enjoying the global village today?
I am loving it.
So, are you guys having fun in today's global village? Yes. Where are you guys from?
Malaysia!
Are you having fun?
So that basically ends my day as an event organizer, and I hope you guys did enjoy the Global Village event. See you again, bye!